By this point, you may have noticed that HTML has a very characteristic way of handling spaces and line breaks in text. Basically, additional empty spaces are ignored and reduced to a single space, and line breaks are ignored completely. You'll need to apply special tags in order to add more than one character of space between your words, and the lines that you write in the HTML code will all be ignored when presented in the browser. However, there may be times when you wish to preserve the line breaks and the exact spacing of a chunk of text. This is when you'll use the preformatted text element. Here's a chunk of text, a few lines by the poet E. E. Cummings. It's displayed in two very different formats. The first one is all in one line. The second case reflects the author's famous typographical style. In the first example, line breaks and multiple spaces are completely ignored. In the second case, all the pre-formatting has been kept. Now, if we look at this in code, notice that I've repeated both statements, keeping pretty much the same formatting. The first one I'm coding between a paragraph tag. The second one I'm coding between the pre-tag, pre-formatted tag, less than, PRE. That should actually be in lowercase letters there, PRE. And also the pre-formatted closing tag. Let's put that in all lowercase letters. So there is the HTML. If we open this page, pre-formatted text in the browser, notice that only the second version maintains the formatting. The first version, all of those extra spaces and lines are completely ignored when rendered in the browser. As you can see here in the code, the text inside the tags is exactly the same. The only difference is the tags themselves. In the first example, we're wrapping the text in our old friend the paragraph element, and the second example preserves the original formatting by use of the pre-tag. Now, most browsers display the content of pre-formatted text in monospaced fonts like Courier, like you see here. And one last comment, pre-formatted text is a block level element. Let's move on to the next topics, block quotations and horizontal rules.